Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM coin holder? What's going on this time? I have a lot of good news for all Stellar XLM holder. But first of all, in last 12 hours, you can see, my friends, they will after a dump, absolutely they will take a very huge jump. So therefore, I make this video, my friend, for all of you to understand. Today we will predicate this coin, my friend. So kindly, holder, please try to understand. You will never need, my friends, to starting selling. Otherwise, you are very badly fails down. Stellar XLM price will pumps up, my friend, after a very huge dump. As you can see, in the last 24 hours, they will minus 0.34% falls down, but in 12 hours they will pumps up. So therefore I will tell you to after a dump they will pumps up. And my friend, this time they were fails down. So this is I found two big reasons, my friend. The first reason was that to after a dump every coin will fails down, because when they will take a very huge jump, after a huge jump they will fails down. And the second reason was that, my friends, to absolutely they will fails down for a short time, they will temporarily fails down. So that's mean to short term investor are starting selling. My friends, short term investor doing something like that, to when they see, my friends, the huge pump, absolutely they will decide to this is selling time and they will sell it and get a very good profit. So therefore the price will fails down. So therefore I tell you, my friends, Stellar XLM coin is very good coin for long time investor. Don't worry, my friend, if they were fails down. So remember, this is very temporary fails. After that they again recover the loss. So therefore I will tell you to it's a really good coin for a long time investor. So kindly holder invest for a long time. I am 100% sure to Stellar XLM will give you a profit, but if you are invest for a long time. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.